What does intelligent really mean? We know what it used to mean. Making calculated decisions based on the right information. Today, it's easy to think that it's only about blinking LED lights, cloud computing, sensors, microchips, analytics, big data. You name it. People talk about connectivity, and for good reason. But having tools, machines, and devices talking to each other doesn't do much if you don't have the knowledge and solutions needed to take action. Now. And now. And now. You see, intelligence is still about making calculated decisions based on the right information. This is what the CoroPlus platform is all about. With connectivity all the way from planning and design to the cutting edge. Our solution enables you to optimize your machining process, your decision-making, and your profitability. We're entering the future of manufacturing. Are you coming?
Don't forget to visit the Sandvik Coromant website. For more of our films, click to subscribe.